So a few days ago, I actually just filmed how that huge excavator here has teared down a former Kroger Supermarket from the early 60s in just 2 days. And now it's weekend, so they are not working, but that's after 2 days. And as I said in my previous video, it was just one guy on a fire hose. You maybe see that here. They always use that fire hose for dust mitigation, so they spray it on all that stuff here so that the dust is kind of suppressed, right? And then it just took another guy with that excavator here, as you can see here, and that looked actually, and you can see that on my channel, I filmed that as well, like a little Godzilla. And if you see that, he has like that huge steel beam in his claws, and he actually used it just to swipe that stuff. You see it here, that part which is clean swept. He did that actually with that steel beam, so he grabbed whatever was available and then he used it as a, I guess you could call it as a broom. So that's what left after a big building after 2 days, and I didn't know that they actually sorted on site, which makes sense. So I'm pretty sure next week they come with like some kind of containers or trucks, and then they load it there. But as you can see, he separated already metal, aluminum, trash, and then some looks like cinder block concrete. And then in the distance you can also see some smaller metal. I'm not sure, cannot see it from here, if that's also aluminum or tin plated metal or something like that. Anyways, and well, that's it. And I'm gonna film the new building they built here. It's gonna be a 3-story condominium, and I hope I can film how they build it up, and then I'll post it on my channel. Thanks for watching.